Tara guys, let's go on a 24 hours layover and see the city of Zurich. Hello guys, mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Ngayon po guys, we are on a 27 hours layover dito sa Zurich in Switzerland. I just woke up, so we arrived here at 8 a.m. Now it's about 12 p.m. So yan, namumula pa yung mata ko. Yan, kita nyo. I only had 3 hours sleep, but I have to go and see the city kasi good weather today. It's a sunny day. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung kwarto, then we'll go to the city. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. Ayan, let us go and take the train and explore the city of Zurich. And guys, so after 15 minutes train ride, we're at the city center. Tapos naglalakad tayo para maghanap ng kakainan. Nice day today, sunny day. Very nice. Zurich, guys, is the largest city in Switzerland and the capital of the canton of Zurich. It is located in north-central Switzerland at the northwestern tip of Lake Zurich. Zurich is a hub for railways, roads, and air traffic. Both Zurich Airport and railway stations are the largest and busiest in the country. So, ito na yung restaurant. Let's see.
I think I'm gonna have the rusty. It's it's like a shredded up big hash brown. One piece, 150.
Thank you.
That's fine. We're weighted now. Yeah.
Ayan guys, so tapos na tayo mag-lunch, late lunch, so we're going to the lake para lakad-lakad ng konti to burn what we ate, so and see more of the city. Ito guys, itong street na to is parang yung posh street nila. May Bali, Christian Dior, mga mamahalin na shops. I wish I have the money to buy, but what to do? So lakad-lakad lang pa muna tayo and see more of the city. And guys, so nandito tayo sa Day Market. Yan, daming mga tinda dito. You can see. So, tingnan natin kung anong pwede natin bilhin dito. Who knows Ricky Nelson, the Beatles? Lakad pa tayo sa more guys and see the Lake of Zurich. So guys, as I said, it's a weekend Saturday dito sa Zurich. Hindi naman daming tao. Tambay-tambay lang by the Baywalk, no, by the Lake of Zurich. So usually this is what they do. They just sit there, walk, talk. So makikita nga ang daming tao. Yan. Date-date lang sila. Ito. Ito pa paddle ride. Oh. So tapos na tayo sit down and relax by the lake. So now we're walking through these aisles inside the city to walk a bit. And dito maraming mga restaurants and more tourists.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Try one.
You want to try?
This is dark chocolate, you don't know.
Dark chocolate, caramel, orange, or raspberry?
Dark, please.
Dark. This is caramel dark.
Thank you very much. Yes, especially chocolate. Welcome. Then, that's what you get. Very good. So this is their
You
Chocolate.
can get the same in Spain for like a lot less.
Isn't it? Thanks. Let's see. So huge. This chocolate bar. Ayan guys, so now it's time to take the train again and go back to the hotel. Hello guys, good evening. So I just woke up. I went back here in the hotel from the city mga 6 p.m. So now it's 8:30 p.m. I'm going down for dinner down the restaurant here in the hotel. They have 60% off for cabin crew. Why not, diba? So tara, samahan niyo ako for dinner. For dinner, I ordered their signature burger, which is also a must try. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po.